Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain all important methods of strings. In strings, we have a 10 important methods like length method, caret method, substring method, isEmpty method, contains method, replace method, two uppercase method, two lowercase method, trim method, and value of method. All these methods are used to perform operation on strings. Now I am going to explain one by one method with example. Just go to Eclipse, select the new class. My class name is string operation. So just select the main method, select the finish button. So remove the comments. First I am going to create a string str equal to I am taking Java basics. So this is my string. First I am going to use the length method. So length method. So this length method is used to find the length of the string. Now I am going to find the length of this string. System.out.println str.length. So this length method find the length of the string. So this string is assigned to this str object. Now I am going to find the length of the string, run as Java application. So here it is find 11 characters. So if you count the length of the string 1, 2, 3, 4, and also we have to count the space also 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this length method will return the length of the string. So finally we are getting the 11. And the second method is caret method. So this caret method is used to return the character at a given index. Now I am going to find the str dot caret of. I want to find the third index of the string. So now I am going to run the program, run a Java application. It will return the third index of the string. So it is return a. So if you count this one 0, 1, 2, 3. So third position a is there. So that's why it return a. And next method is substring method. This substring method will return the part of the string. Now I am going to find out the substring str dot substring of. I want to give the like I want between the 6 to 8. So this method return the, so it returns a and s. So if you find out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is written as. So between the 6 and 8 it is there a and s. And the next method is isEmpty method. The isEmpty method will return if the string is empty, it returns true, or if the string is not empty, it returns false. So here is empty. Here in the string it is not empty, that's why it should return false. Just check that. So here it is written false because the string is not empty. Suppose I am going to create a one more string str1 equal to, I am assigning the empty string. So if I am now I am going to find the uh, empty. Now I am going to check string 1 is empty or not. So here the string is assigned to empty, so it should return the true. Now I am going to run the program, run a Java application. It is written true because the string str1 equal to empty. That's why it written true. So if the string is not empty, it returns the false. And next method is contains method. Str dot contains. So this contains method will check the string, specified string is available in a string or not. Now I am going to check the string like Java. I want to check the Java in a string. If the string is available, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now I am going to run the program, run a Java application. It returns true because the Java is available in the string. Suppose if I am changing Java to Python, so it should return a false because Python is not available in our string. So it returns false because the string does not have a Python. And the next method is replace method. System.out.println str dot replace. So here I am giving first one is Java. I want to replace this Java to Python. So I am going to run the program, run a Java application. If you observe here, Python basics. Basically, our string contains Java basics, but I am replacing Java with Python. That's why it is displaying Python basics. And next method is to lowercase method. System.out.println str dot to lowercase. So this method will convert this string into lowercase. So if you observe here, I will change this string to uppercase. So I want print this string in a lowercase letter. Now if you observe here, it will convert this to uppercase into lowercase. Here it is printing the lowercase letter. And the next method is to uppercase method. So now I am giving this, I am changing this one into lowercase. I am using the uppercase method to convert the string into uppercase to uppercase. So this is our string Java basics. Now I am going to convert this string into uppercase. So run a Java application. It is converting into uppercase letter. And next method is trim method. System.out.println str dot actually this trim method will trim the string. That means if any space is existing before the string or after the string, it will trim the space. Suppose here I am assigning the Java. If you observe here, there is a space is there. After the string also space is there. Now I want to remove this space. Suppose if you print here str1 dot, suppose if you print here the string, it will return the, if you observe here, there is a space before the string and after the string. Now I am going to trim this. So now the space will be trimmed. I'm going to run the program, run as Java application. If you observe here, before space also trimming, after the string also trimming. Now I'm going to show you the another method, value of method. So this value of method will convert the other data type into string data type. So here I am going to take into a equal to 10, char ch equal to a. So I am taking two variables, one is integer type, another one is character type. Now I am going to convert the this into string value. Now I am going to convert this integer a to a string. So string dot value of int. So here I am passing the a. So if you observe here, this integer is converting into string. So this is the string type. So if you want convert this character into string, we can use ch here. So now this a character type converting into string type. So now I'm going to run the program, run as Java application. So if you observe here, this a is a string type. Basically this is the character type. Here we are converting the character into string type. So these all 10 methods are the very important methods in strings. So frequently we are using our project. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.